Let's keep it real. In 2026, throwing $1,000 into an index fund won't make you a Lamborghini driving mogul. You'll net maybe 80 bucks a year. That's barely enough for one fancy takeout order. Stop playing the stock market if you're starting from zero. Treat that grand as your business development budget to solve your income problem first. The goal isn't passive cents, it's turning that budget into $1,000 of extra monthly income. Before you go playing entrepreneur, let's talk about the room clearing move debt. Specifically, high interest credit card debt. If you're sitting on 25% APR, that's not just a bill, it's a burning house. You are the This Is Fine meme dog. While you wait to invest that $1,000, that interest is eating your future gains alive. Investing is a game of growth, but debt is a game of subtraction. Mathematically, paying off a 25% interest loan is a guaranteed 25% return on your money. No stock market index is going to beat that. So, kill the debt demon first. Once that demon is gone, your $1,000 becomes actual capital instead of a liability. That is the ultimate ROI for your first tier. Next, take $500 of your seed money and deploy it into high leverage skills. Forget being a generalist. In 2026, that's a one-way ticket to being replaced by a bot. You want to be the person who uses AI to do the work of three people. That's your golden ticket. Stop chasing generalist vibes. In this market, being a niche specialist with AI superpowers is the ultimate cheat code. Treat this budget like an R&D department for your own brain. When you level up your output, you stop trading time for money and start trading systems for impact. You've got $300 left. Stop the doom scrolling. It's time to launch your beta test and see if your idea is actually a business or just a fever dream. Break it down. 50 for a domain, 100 for a clean landing page, and 150 in ad spend to put eyes on your offer. This is how you validate, not speculate. This isn't about vanity metrics. It's about seeing if the market pulls money out of their pocket. If the chart moves, you scale. If it stays flat, pivot. Don't panic. The era of the jack of all trades is officially dead. In the internet native age, you're either a specialist or you're just an NPC in someone else's success story. If you try to build a dropshipping store selling everything from socks to space heaters, you're competing with giants. You'll lose. Wealth today flows to the specialists. Instead, pick one industry and one burning problem. Use AI to solve it. For example, helping local HVC companies automate their booking systems. That is how you win. Don't be a generic store. Be the surgeon of your niche. That's the ultimate business hack for 2026. Forget the crypto moonshots you see on random Discord servers. Real wealth in 2026 isn't a lottery ticket. It's the freelance pivot. Spending $1,000 on a skill that nets you $3,000 a month isn't just a side hustle. It's a 3,600% annual return. That beats any to-the-moon hype every single time. Follow the path that actually pays. Don't gamble your seed money. Invest it in the only asset that actually compounds, your own earning power. Here is your final boss roadmap. First, clear that debt. Second, buy the skill. Third, test the market. And fourth, scale the engine. Stop LARPing as an investor. You need an active income machine before you can play in the stock market. Your goal is to turn that $1,000 into a machine that prints $1,000 every single month. Build the engine first, then worry about the gains.